Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to add Harmony One to your Metamask networks. Before that, our sponsors for today's video, ANY, a quick and easy platform to use for trading crypto online. Go check them out. Right now they are having a special giveaway. One of you can win a Tesla Model 3. Also, there's a big cash pool prize that will be shared amongst the signups. So use the link down below, sign up and have the chance to win just by signing up, guys. Also, FTMO. If you want to trade with other people's money, if you want to keep up to 90% of the profits for yourselves, FTMO is the place for you. You just have to prove to them that you actually know how to trade, and they can give you up to 200k of other people's money to do that. Okay, so Harmony One, how to add it to your MetaMask. Open your MetaMask application, your wallet, on the bar to the right if you're using Chrome. Click on the network you're currently using and select Add Network. What you must do now is fill all the information required for the RPC Info. So the network name is Harmony MainNet. I will have all this info in the description down below. The RPC URL is api.harmony.1 with the selection ID, after which we fill the current symbol was 1 and the blockchain explorer is this one. Okay, yes, save, and done. We've added the Harmony network to our account. 1. There we go, Harmony mainnet. I've already had it. So just remove the old one, but this is the way to add it to your network. So that's pretty much it. I hope it helped you guys. See you next time and good luck.